Learn how to make this Cheesecake Factory favorite at home. This spicy chicken chipotle pasta is filled with veggies and a creamy chipotle sauce. I'm even sharing options to make it gluten and dairy free. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson for What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we're making a spicy chicken chipotle pasta because who doesn't want an easy, healthy, better than takeout pasta on a weeknight? Heat 1 tablespoon of avocado oil or butter in the deep saute pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot and rippling, add the chicken and sprinkle it generously with kosher salt. Allow it to sear for a few minutes without stirring to create a golden crust, then stir to cook all sides until golden brown. Turn the heat down to medium-low and drizzle in the honey, coating the chicken to create a glaze. When the chicken is completely cooked, remove it to a separate plate or bowl, leaving the extra fat and juices in the pan. To that, add 1 small diced onion, 1 diced red pepper, and 1 diced yellow pepper. Stir that to coat and soften. Add the garlic and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Pour 12 ounces of uncooked shortcut pasta, and then add 3.5 cups of chicken broth into the pan with the veggies and stir briefly. Cover with a lid and turn the heat up to medium-high to bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the pasta is just al dente. This may vary based on the type of pasta you have, just double check the box for cook times. Open the lid and stir occasionally to avoid any burning on the bottom of the pan. Open the lid and add 1/4 cup of the chipotle and adobo sauce, 1.5 cups of coconut cream or heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast or Parmesan cheese. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir to combine so the cooked pasta is coated, then add 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle powder. You can add more if you want it a little more spicy. Finish by adding 3/4 cup of frozen peas and 1/2 pound of chopped asparagus on top, without stirring. Close the lid and steam for 3 to 4 minutes until the asparagus is tender. Open the lid, then add the reserved chicken to the top and stir to combine, then remove from the heat. We love to top this with cilantro and crushed tortilla chips, just like the restaurant. Yep, this definitely rivals the restaurant version, and the best part, you get to make it at home with healthier ingredients if you want to. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. If you want to keep cooking with me, check out these healthy dinners.